ng mga pulis, alam naman nila na isa lang po ang speaker namin dito po, ako, no? I'm dealing with General Torre pero hindi na kasi ako niya ina-answer ng cellphone at saka tawag at saka text messages, no? Ang problema kasi may isang pulis na tumawag doon sa aming maganda at na lawyer na si Attorney Kay Lorente at nag-provide ng information na bubumbahin daw itong aming cathedral which is really a sacred place for KOJC member. Yung bata kasi si Attorney Kay Lorente, matalino yan, mabait yan, maganda pa. Babae, hindi nakapag-control ng kanyang emotion at umiyak at nataranta. Biruin mo, member siya ng KOJC, sacred place nila yung kanilang cathedral at saka bubumbahin. Ako po'y Muslim. Kung sasabihin mo sa akin, ikaw na pulis, kung sino ka man na nagbibigay ng information dun sa babae namin na lawyer, at sasabihin mo yung masjid ninyo ay bubumbahin, iwan ko lang kung anong mangyayari. Maski threat pa lang yan, naku, haram po yan. Ewan ko anong magagawa ng mga brother Muslims namin kung tatakutin mo yung mga Muslim ng ganyan. So siyempre, nagpanik yung aking associate, yung aking kasama dito. Iparinig ko nga, and then I will continue. Pwede ba marinig nila?
Naka-record to. Gusto mo yung please negotiate?
Okay, yeah.
Islam! Bakit? What are you Islam? Grabe naman kayo, sir! Grabe! Wala kaming na-negotiate kasi wala dyan! Huwag niyo i-explode! Please lang! Kung tinatretan niyo kami para yan, wala nga dyan, sir! Huwag kayong mag-explode dyan! May mga tao dyan! Pwede ba, sir? Bahala! Simbahan yan, sir! Simbahan yan! Pakisabihan nyo yung commander nyo, lahat yung dyan, yung mga tao nyo, may mga puso kayo, may mga pamilya kayo! Mga tao yan dyan! Grabe naman kayo! Gawin nyo ang tama, sir! Gawin nyo ang tama! You are just there to implement warrant of arrest! You are just there to implement warrant of arrest. Hindi search warrant pero inalaw kayo. Sobrang even go back to the basic. Do not explode. Ano kayo mga terorista? Pwede ba? Necessity, proportionality. Hindi kami mga terorista. Please lang din, huwag kayong mag-explode. Tao pa ba kayo, sir? Grabe, missionaries yan, sir. Please, please. Grabe naman kayo, sir. Huwag niyong i-threat sa amin ang buhay ng mga tao.
너 취직 안 하니? 여기 알바만 몇 년째야?
할 거야. 손님 결혼하면.
나 신랑이 필요해.
가짜 신랑이 입사했다고?
Tao. Again, sir, pending yan. Ganun kayo ka-desperate yung tore na yan. Huwag nyo sa negotiation patayin yung mga inosenteng tao. Anong i-explode, walang mamamatay? Anong klaseng negotiation? Ano yan? Ransom? Kidnapping for ransom ginagawa nyo? Naka-record to, di ba? Naka-record to. Naka-record to lahat, di ba?
Gusto mo yung please negotiate. Yun lang, please negotiate. Please negotiate. Kung sino ang makakausap mo sa taas mo, please negotiate. Yun lang. Please lang. Paniwala ka sa akin. Gusto mo ng information, di ba? Binigay ko. They will use explosives kung hindi kayo mag-negotiate. Kayo, sabi sa'yo, klaro-klaro.
Kaya nga, sir,
Please negotiate.
alam nyo how to implement warrant of arrest. May mga pending na motion to quash information and motion to quash warrant of arrest. Kaya ako ang nandito kasi naghihintay ako sa resolution ng Pasig City Judge. Yun nga, bakit yung minamadali? May mga pending resolution. May court order na temporary protection order. Sir, tao kayo! Gamitin nyo! Gamitin! Huwag lang kayo basta mag-ano lang sa mga utos ng mga leaders ninyo. Gamitin yung utak nyo.
Hindi ka ako naniniwala sa leaders ko. Sinasabi ko lang sa'yo kung ano yung information. Kasi gusto ko ng information, di ba? Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, negotiate.
Kung ako pa sa inyo, sir, umalis na kayo dyan. Kung plano nyo pa mag-explode against simbahan yan, kung hindi pa kayo malagot dito sa batas ng lupa, mananagot kayo sa batas ng Diyos. Tao yan, mga misyonary yan. Again, may mga pending motion.
Information, sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Pero anong sinabi mo kanina, sir? Ipa-explode nyo? At risk pa yung mga buhay dyan? Huwag nyo kaming i-threat sa mga buhay. Like sinabi namin, nakahanad ang mga kinabuhi. Huwag nyo kaming i-threaten. We will never bow down sa injustices. Ayusin nyo kami. Again, may mga pending na mga court na mga... Kaya legal ang ginagawa namin. May mga petition kami.
Negotiate.
May mga motion for reconsideration kami. Hindi kami makipag-negotiate sa inyo. Kaya kami sa korte kami nagtahingi ng tulong.
Okay.
Diba?
As you can see, no, this police officer who called Attorney Kay Lorente informed her, practically was trying to convince her to negotiate. No? This is, to my mind, I may be wrong, this is a desperate attempt on the part of whoever requested or commanded him to call Attorney Kay Lorente. No? That is why when I learned about this, I immediately texted and called General Torre for confirmation. I texted him and waited for a reply. Since there was no reply, kasi kailangan natin ng confirmation, walang reply, pinost ko po sa Facebook. Pag-post ko ng Facebook, wala pang 5 or 10 minutes, nagpalabas sila ng, what you call this, ng state, na press con, na may babae po na police officer nagsabi na huwag kayong maniwala sa lies daw, false news na binibigay po ng KOJC. I hope you understand that the triggering factor why Attorney Kay Lorente reported it to me was because of this request for negotiation with a threat that the KOJC Cathedral will be bombed. And on my part, I did my part. I requested for confirmation. As any sane lawyer would do, I requested for confirmation from the police, but there was none, and I even posted it on Facebook. So, therefore, there was reasonable ground to believe that this may be true, and that is why SMNI reported the matter. So, you could not fault us. There was no intent to misinform the public. It was a mere reaction on the part of Attorney Kay Lorente. And on my part, I tried to verify it. Since there was no verification, hence there was news about it. So, I hope you understand. I am now entertaining a response likewise to the declaration of President Ferdinand Marcos that there are no policemen who are armed in the KOJC compound. I think I already replied to this that maybe he was given very wrong information. And as a matter of fact, you have been here for the 5th day. When General Torre goes here, meron yan siyang dala-dala sa likod niya na parang ano ba yung armas niya, no? Tsaka yung mga kasama niya, fully armed po. So, Presidente, baka po ang report na binibigay sa inyo ay maling-mali po. At saka he was likewise saying, why great number? The PNP is deploying 3,000 policemen here. I do hope and pray that the same number of policemen would likewise go after known terrorists. And if you would like to look at the top 10 wanted terrorists, no? Sana mag-create din and with the same vigor and vitality being exhibited by the PNP in so far as against my client is concerned. With the great resources, imagine, the taxpayers' money being spent here. 3,000 policemen and they are receiving more than 1,000 pesos a day and then plus overtime, plus food nila, no? So that is how much, no, that the government is spending here.